This Stanley Fatmax handle combined with, in focus, this Vessel bit set. When it comes to maintenance on the Tamiya's, is gold. It's taken me minutes, seconds to strip out 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 screws to do the servo. I'm just putting them back in again now. The only thing is I haven't magnetised it, so it's a bit of a case of balancing it with one hand. But that in there, done. And it's not over tightening them. You can just use it as a normal handle as well. Ooh, without dropping it. So you can just turn it manually. But for the large part, so that's absolutely perfect. So yeah, easy option, Stanley Fatmax with a Vessel bit set.